Honda is preparing for a major milestone at the Consumer Electronics Show 2025, where it will showcase two prototype models from its innovative Honda Zero series. These prototypes are set to make their world premiere during the event, which will take place from January 7 through January 10 in Las Vegas. Honda aims to begin introducing these futuristic vehicles to the global market in 2026. One of the highlights of this unveiling is Honda's original vehicle operating system, specifically designed for the Honda Zero series. This system reflects Honda's commitment to blending cutting-edge technology with practical functionality, emphasizing the wise aspect of their design philosophy. This approach was previously introduced under the mantra of thin, light, and wise, focusing on efficiency, simplicity, and intelligence. The January 7 press conference will delve into advanced automated driving technologies integrated into these vehicles. Honda will also provide insights into the system on chip that powers these models, ensuring they function seamlessly as software-defined vehicles. These developments underscore Honda's dedication to reshaping the future of mobility with smarter, more intuitive driving experiences. With its focus on innovation and forward-thinking design, Honda is setting the stage for a transformative era in the automotive industry.